If you are looking to DIY your headliner or do any kind of project where you need a little bit of padded suede material, this is exactly what you need. As you rub your hand on it, it kind of changes the grain of the fabric. It's very soft, it's very easy to work with. This is the 96 by 60 inch roll. It comes in different sizes, but this is standard what would fit most headliners in most cars. It might be surprising how thin it is actually, but it's easy to work with. And that is what you want when you are dealing with adhesive and trying to get it to stay. It's best to start in the middle of the roof and work your way to the edges. Make sure you just have your measurements, measure twice, cut once, right? I'm not gonna measure it all here, but I wanna show you an example of how simple it is to cut through this. So it is very, very easy to work with. I mean, you just cut through, it's just like any other fabric. You can kind of see the thickness here. You've got the nice foam on the one side and the suede on the other side. It's very luxurious, very high quality. I give this a 5-star review, highly recommend.